which is minimum string length after removing substrings. So let's quickly read the problem statement. You are given a string S consisting only of uppercase English letters, and you can apply some operations to this string, where in one operation you can remove any occurrence of one of the substrings AB or CD from S. So what we are going to do here is just return the minimum possible length of resulting string that we can obtain after performing these operations. So yes, there is one note also that the string concatenates after removing the substrings and could produce new AB or CD substrings. So let's quickly uh, see how we can approach this problem. Let's take an example. See, if the string is given as S equal A, B, F, C, A, it is A, B, F, C, A, and C, D, B. So let's quickly dry run on this particular string. What we are doing here is just remove this substring AB, substring CB, and if there are any substring which is left in our answer, then remove that also. So this process will be continued till in the answer there will be no substring named as AB or CD, right? So in the answer, AB should not be there and CD should not be there in that in any of the substring. So if we are like thinking of using stack here, so let's try that. If we will use stack, so this is the stack, and if we are just traversing from here to here in that string, like for integer, or as we can say here for character ch in that string, right? So what we are going to do here, if the stack is empty, right? If the stack is empty, then just insert that character into that stack. And second condition, if first is if stack is empty, then what we are going to do? Just push, right? Second condition, if it is not empty, if there are some characters, then the first condition which we are going to check here is the top of the stack is A, is top of the stack is A, and character is B, right? So if this condition is satisfied, then what we will have to do here is just pop out that A, right? Let's see it. Like if the value like here ABFCA, let's quickly write it. Okay, right. So as you can see, there is a string, there is a stack, sorry. So if there is A, and we are just going to push B, like the character is equal to B, and in the stack, ka top is equal to A, and this, and along with this, if stack is not empty, right? So if these conditions satisfies, then what we are going to do is simply stack dot pop, right? And there should be one more condition also for CD, right? For CD. So if in the stack there is already a C and you are just going to push a D, then what you will have to do, just pop it. So here if I will change, then what I can write, if character is D and the stack cut top is C, right? So we are going to pop. So we will have to write three conditions here. And then at the end, whatever will be the size of that stack dot size, we are going to return that size, right? So let's try it. So simply we are just going to take a stack of character, right? And just traverse for character of ch to that s. If stack is not empty and stack the top is equal to a and stack and the character is equal to b. If these conditions satisfy, then what we are going to do is simply stack a pop. Simply pop an element from the stack. Else if it is not empty, simply the second condition, stack a top, it is equal to c and the character is equal to d, right? So simply we are going to do here is stack a pop. Else if these conditions are not satisfying, then just simply push the element into that stack. So what we are doing here is just simply push that character. And at the end, what we are returning is stack a size. That will be the minimum size after removing all the elements, all the substrings. So this condition is for handling the substrings AB, and this condition is for handling the substrings CD, right? And this is if no condition is satisfying, like the element, the character which we are processing, it is not the A, B, C, D, and neither the condition is satisfying. So simply push that into that step, right? So let's quickly try it. So yes, for this the output is 6. Okay, what the output should be? Let's debug it where we are lacking. Okay, it should be C, capital C. So yes, now it is working fine. So yes, C, it is accepted. Let's quickly dry run this. Okay, so let me just write. So this is our code, and what we are doing here is just taking a stack, and yes, if it is A, then push it into that stack, and if it is not empty, and stack the top is equal to A and character is B. So like A, B, B, C, D, A. So if it is A and the character is like, if it is A, so if we are starting from first one, if it is A, then neither this condition will satisfy nor this condition. So just simply it will push into that stack A. And then the second time, if the character is here, then the character will be B, and in the top of the stack there will be A. So now pushing this character into that stack, we will just pop it up. So this process will continue happening till the end, and at the end, we are just ending up the minimum size of our string after removing all the substrings of A, B, and C, D. So you can run it also in your notebook, so it will be more clear. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you got an idea like how to solve this problem. If so, then please make sure to subscribe this channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.